Good morning, sir. My name is Y. Pranosai. I study in class 5C in KB number 2 SVN. Today, I am going to explain about abacus. By the way, I am learning abacus since 2 years and now I am in level 6. Abacus is an ancient method of doing maths. It is invented by Greeks so many years ago. Abacus improves listening skill, concentration and develops our brain. With abacus, we can do addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, decimals, percentage, square roots, etc. Abacus is a easy and a simple method for kids to learn maths. After completing Level 2, there is a method called air calculation. Slowly we can do maths without abacus. Whenever I go to a shop, I calculate the money to be paid to the shopkeeper by using air calculation. Now I will show you how to do the abacus with air calculation.
Ready, Pranav?
Yes.
59 plus 21.
80.
65 plus 36.
101.
92 minus 65.
27.
61 plus 72.
133.
90 minus 89.
1.
63 plus 75.
138.
40 plus 29 minus 31.
38.
48 plus 54 plus 92.
194.
34 plus 67 minus 48.
53.
52 plus 38 minus 24.
66.
Very good. 19 plus 12 minus 16 plus 18.
33.
58 minus 24 plus 26 plus 39.
99.
26 plus 34 plus 46 minus 52.
54.
92 plus 48 plus 53 minus 64.
129.
Very good. Now I am asking multiplications.
Okay.
41 into 8.
328.
30 into 7.
210.
26 into 2.
52.
84 into 6.
504.
73 into 4.
292.
81 into 9.
729.
96 into 7.
672.
90 into 7.
630.
Very good. 39 into 8.
334.
42 into 3.
126.
64 into 7.
448.
33 into 7.
231.
55 into 7.
385.
575 minus 243.
332.
394 plus 612.
1006.
608 minus 264.
344.
Very good. 829 plus 938.
1767.
Very good. 929 plus 860.
1789.
824 plus 679.
1503.
Very good. 383 plus 529.
912. This is how we can do air calculations. So my dear friends, I request you all to learn abacus so you can do maths easily. Thank you.